Where are we at today, Ellis?
I don't know. Where?
We're at a nature center in Cedar Rapids. Indian Creek Nature Center. Have you had fun here?
Yeah.
Maybe we can do wedding. What's this?
Corn back.
Yeah. What do you think lived in there? Turtle?
There was a drawer in there that had like 4 or 5 different nests and what kind of bird. You know how big a hummingbird nest is?
Oh my god.
Did you see it?
It
Yeah.
was like, you wouldn't, I would have never guessed.
Thought it was a growth on the tree.
Like, I know that they're tiny, but like, I didn't know they were, you know.
Yeah.
I'll be back for my food, okay? I'm gonna go do something real quick. Okay? You prepare it and I'll be back.
What's this food? Has some.
Was this something you were cooking?
This is salt. I have some salt on it.
Oh, you put some salt on it?
Yeah, this is my salt.
Oh, that's your salt you
Yeah.
collected from the
Yeah,
salt?
I always have it here. The raccoons come out and I'm good. So the raccoon, I put it right here. And raccoon come up this hill. So they can't find it up right here. Now I hide it.
Wow, it looks really tasty. Are you stirring it?
I'm just putting it in salt.
Oh, you have to rub it in salt. Is it like, are you making jerky? You're gonna leave it out to dry now?
It's for you.
Okay.
Nice cooking. Nice cooking.
What are you cooking?
Nice cooking. Now put this. What's this? What's this? I just always make factory smoke.
Oh,
I
you're
sit down.
making.
It actually makes smoke when I sit down and goes.
Yeah. That might be the it on the fire. The coals are getting hot.
I always get. This is the obstacle course?
Mhm.
Oh.
You gotta jump. Jump down. You jump onto the ground and then climb back up.
No.
Yes.
You hold me.
Okay.
I just kept
Big
on.
jump. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we did it.
What? No, jump.
Yeah, you don't have to jump that time. You do have to jump on the end though. Wow. You can go all the way around. I love you, Matt. Did you make it?
Oh!
Help! Help!
Good job. Good job, boys. Oh, almost there, Dawson. Alice, you did that with ease.
I went first.
That's dirt. I see. She goes where she wants. Wow, Dawson, jump.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Wait. She's trying for the dirt. She's trying for dirt.
It's okay, Alice. It's natural dirt, Mommy said.
What about Ceader?
Oh, Alice, you have much better balance than I do.
No, Rosalie.
No.
Can you make it through the log?
I'm just scared too. Look, there's a snake in there.
Oh, okay. What about through here?
What's this?
It's a willow tunnel. They
No.
cut branches off of a willow tree.
No.
Look!
No.
Ah!
See, that's not.
You're shorter than I am.
No, because of these.
Go. Come on.
Matt.
At least he held on.
I am still small for it.
How you doing, bud? You having fun today? Where are we at today, Alice?
I don't know. Where?
We're at a nature center in Cedar Rapids. Indian Creek Nature Center. Have you had fun here?
Yeah.
What did you see inside? Huh?
Turtles.
Turtles. Anything else? What'd you learn about?
Take a video of me and Alice. Hold it. There you go. Hold on. No, you sit on it.
Wait a minute, I want to take a video. I want to take a video of you.
Excuse me, where's your baby?
You know how long I've been here, right?
I just,
No. Ew, what is this? Look at this bug on me.
a baby bird TV.
Have you ever seen a bug like that?
No.